Hi, and welcome to a new podcast on Treasury-related issues. The topic of today relates to IFRS 9, Hedge Accounting General Model, and we're going to talk about a specific fact pattern around basis adjustment. To help me explaining you what is a basis adjustment, I'm really happy to welcome my Swedish colleague, Per-Ove. So Per-Ove, could you introduce yourself and tell us about that basis adjustment?
Sure. Hi, as Philip says, I'm Per-Ove Zetterlund. I'm a PwC Executive Director based in Sweden, where I'm leading the IFRS Financial Instruments technical team. Today, the tips I would like to share with you refers to how to account for basis adjustment on transition to IFRS 9. But let's start with the beginning. What is a basis adjustment? Well, you know that an entity decides to hedge a forecast transactions that subsequently will result in recognition of a non-financial item, such as inventory or PP&E. When the hedge transaction occurs, IFRS 9 provides a choice to either recycle the amount that has been accumulated in the cash flow hedging reserve to P&L at the same rhythm with which the acquired asset or the assumed liability impacts P&L. Either adjust the initial cost or other carrying amount of the non-financial asset or liability. That adjustment to the initial carrying amount is the so-called basis adjustment.
Okay, that sounds pretty clear. But let me ask you a question. What if an entity which was applying hedge accounting under IAS 39 decided not to use that basis adjustment and that had all the reserve of fair value still in cash flow hedge reserve, and we are on the date of transition? What's going on? What are the adjustments to perform maybe?
Well, first of all, IFRS 9 eliminates the accounting policy that existed under IAS 39. So now that the basis adjustment is mandatory. On transition to IFRS 9, and considering that ABC does not de-designate the hedging relationship, it will have to apply the new requirements. This means that the amount accumulated in the cash flow hedge reserve at the date of the transition should be removed and included in the carrying amount of the non-financial item. But the comparator will not be adjusted.
All right, that's pretty clear, I guess. Thank you very much, Per-Ove, and thank you all for watching us, and for sure stay tuned for another podcast on Treasury-related issue.